Here are the 4 Reddit verified fixes for when your mic picks up all your PC sounds during calls. First up, right click on the sound icon and select sound settings and scroll down and select more sound settings and go to recording tab and if you see stereo mix, just right click and select disable option. Select apply and OK for save changes and then restart Discord or Zoom. This is the most common Reddit fix. If this method doesn't fix your problem, method 2, select more sound settings and select recording tab and right click on your microphone and select properties and go to listen tab and make sure listen to this device is unchecked. If this was on, your mic pick up all PC audio, games, music, everything. So make it as unchecked and then select apply and OK for save changes. If this doesn't fix your problem, Windows sometimes switches your mic automatically. Go to system in settings, select the sound, scroll down, enter input, select your actual microphone, then disable any other unused input devices like stereo mix or what you hear. Just click on this right arrow, select this don't allow option and then go back to sound and now just scroll down and do the same thing for other input device. Select it and select don't allow and then go back to sound and scroll down. Make sure the actual mic device is only listed. If this doesn't fix your problem, the last final method, select more sound settings and under playback select the microphone device and select properties and go to enhancement tab and check mark this disable all enhancements and select apply and OK and select OK, and this stops echo and audio bleed for many people. And that's it. These are the 4 fixes Reddit users say solve the mic picking up a PC audio problem 100%. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.